Meaning of emoticon.
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 Emoticon. An emoticon is a combination of characters used to represent facial expressions in written communications. It is a portmanteau of emotion and icon. Emoticons are commonly used in text messages, emails, and social media to convey emotions or tone that might otherwise be difficult to express through words alone. They are often created by combining punctuation marks, letters, and numbers. Emoticons range from simple smiley faces to more complex designs and can help to add nuance and context to online communications.